Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious hamburger watercress. First, gather your fresh watercress, quality ground beef, and essential seasonings. Next, prepare the watercress by washing it thoroughly and chopping it finely. Then, form your ground beef into uniform patties, ensuring they are well seasoned for maximum flavor. Now, let's get cooking. First, cook your hamburger patties in a hot pan to your preferred level of doneness. While the patties are cooking, briefly sauté the finely chopped watercress until it's just slightly wilted. This quick cooking retains its fresh, peppery bite. Finally, gently combine the sautéed watercress with your freshly cooked hamburger patties, mixing them well. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. And speaking of keeping things fresh, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof food containers. They're perfect for storing your delicious hamburger watercress leftovers. Check the description below for the link and other exclusive deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With your patties and watercress ready, it's time to assemble. Spoon the delicious watercress mixture onto your favorite hamburger buns or use crisp lettuce wraps for a lighter option. Don't forget to add your preferred condiments, like a dollop of mayonnaise or a squeeze of mustard. Serve your hamburger watercress immediately to enjoy its vibrant flavors and textures.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.